If Jupiter was as close to Earth as the Moon, the sight would be spectacular and terrifying at the same time. Imagine looking up into the night sky and seeing Jupiter's massive disk filling nearly the entire horizon, appearing 400 times larger than the full Moon. Its swirling clouds, raging storms, and the Great Red Spot would all be visible to the naked eye. But as breathtaking as this would look, the consequences for Earth would quickly turn catastrophic. First, Jupiter is about 318 times more massive than Earth. If it were at the same distance as the Moon, just 384,000 kilometers away, its gravitational pull would tear our planet apart. Earth's tides are already influenced by the relatively small Moon, but Jupiter's immense gravity would raise violent tides hundreds of meters high, flooding entire continents daily. Oceans would surge inland, reshaping coastlines and swallowing cities. Not just water, Jupiter's pull would also start tugging on Earth's crust itself, triggering massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions all over the globe. Next, the solar system itself would fall into chaos. Jupiter plays a vital role in stabilizing planetary orbits where it is now far out in the solar system. Bringing it so close would throw Earth and the Moon out of their regular paths around the Sun. The Earth could be slingshotted into a new orbit, perhaps closer to the Sun where the planet would overheat, or it might even be ejected into deep space, turning into a frozen world drifting in darkness. The Moon, meanwhile, would no longer survive as our companion. It would either crash into Earth under Jupiter's gravitational influence or be captured by Jupiter, becoming one of its moons. Even before any orbital changes, Earth's atmosphere would not be safe. Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface, but it does give off intense radiation from its powerful magnetic field. If it were that close, its magnetic storms would fry our electronics, destroy satellites, and bombard the surface with deadly radiation. Living on Earth would become impossible long before tidal waves or orbital chaos finished us off. As for the view, Jupiter's moons would also be clearly visible in the sky, dancing around the giant planet like a miniature solar system of their own. Ganymede, Europa, Callisto, and Io would shine like bright stars and move swiftly, visible to the naked eye each night. At first glance, it would look like an astronomer's dream come true. But in reality, it would be a nightmare scenario no species could survive. In short, if Jupiter was as close as the Moon, Earth would not last long enough for us to enjoy the sight. The planet's massive gravity, tidal forces, radiation, and orbital chaos would destroy our world in a matter of days or even hours. What seems like a beautiful cosmic dream is, in fact, the end of life as we know it.